We're moving on to finding the volume of a composite figure, meaning you have two pictures put together, two solid pictures. In this case, we have first you see a sphere. And then you have yourself a cone, right? So now the cone is you got a cone in the height of 10. All right, so let's do this thing. So to find the sphere, the formula is V equals 4 times pi times radius raised to the third power, all of that divided by 3. All right, so remember, we're going to find the sphere, or we're going to find the volume for both of these, and then we're going to combine it together, will be our final answer. So let's find the radius. The radius will be half of this number. So half of 8, the radius is 4. All right, let's go ahead and see. Let's go plug it in. So V is 4 times 3.14 times, right? The radius, which is 4. All of that divided by 3. All right, let's do this thing. So V equals, when you put this whole thing in your calculator, right? When you put this whole thing, you get 267.9. All right, let's just save it right there. That's for the sphere. Sphere, check. Let's go look at the cone. Cone, all right, formula. The formula for the cone is as follows. V equals big B times big H. All right, so let's write the formula. So big B, what did big B stand for? Big B stands for area, right? But this time, the area of the base, and this time your base shape, it's a circle. So area of a circle. All right, let's continue. So area of a circle is defined by doing pi times radius square, right? And we already know that the radius is 4. So pi times the radius, which is 4 square, right? What does that equal to when we do pi times the radius squared? That gives us 50.24. All right, big H. Big H, it's just how tall is the cone? The cone, it's 10. All right, let's put the whole thing in the formula. So the formula says V equals big B times big H. All right, so we know that big B, it's 50.24 times the height, or let me write it like this, times the height, which is 10, and the answer comes out to be 502.4. Now, we have two pictures, right? We have the sphere here, and then we have the cone here. The combined volume, you combine those two answers, you need to combine this answer with this answer. Combining those together, meaning you add them, so 267.9 plus 502.4, we get 770.3. That's the combined volume. All right, that's how I did the first one. This is how you would do the second one, right?